As we unscrew our terminals from the existing system and adding on to the new system, we switch over our old to the new and hook up all the leads for our new system. We're reviewing a GOKWH 320 amp hour app-driven battery, a LiFePO4 battery. It's a very heavy battery, nice and large with handles. So we're going to unwrap and show you what the battery is about. As we open up the box, it is nicely protected by foam, and on the top is laid out your bolts, 2 with lock washers and washers. With the handles plastic and nylon, grab and move. Protected with foam as well and plastic on top, with plastic covers on the battery terminals. We have the application for Google Play and the App Store. We have the application for Google Play and the App Store to open up for the application known as GOKWH. We have the connection device name, GOK with the serial number, and login, resend code, hit start, and the unit will open up. It shows at 95% battery power. We have here is the charge MOS, the DSG MOS, the switch of both. We could switch on and off, and we need to enter a password. We have a temperature in Celsius of all 3 cells. We have the battery of 4 cells. And if we scroll down, we can see the battery percentage to equal up to a 14.20 battery. We have a warning message if we hit, and we have a settings. We have the parameter settings for protection. You have the battery parameter settings, TP parameters, 485 protocol, CAN protocol, and reset password, current return to 0, and factory reset. We have here is a solar controller, hooks up to your solar panels on the roof, portable ones, and you have the battery area. And what we're going to do is demonstrate on how to hook up and take off the plastic and put on the bolts and show you hooked up to the LED strips and patio lights and more. When we hook up the red to red, black to black in a negative 12 volt system, negative to positive, positive to black in a plus 12 volt system. If you look at the controller as we hook up, it lights up and will register the voltage in due time, and we set up by a long press with this controller to the LiFePO4 battery. With every time going on the application, we reload and up and ready to go. The battery is charging as we see at 3.291 volt on one and fluctuating on the other. This is a solar-powered off-grid setup for my plant light, my patio lights, my living room lights. You can use these for boats, motorhomes, RVs, and more. Wherever you need to have a 320 AH amp hour battery controlled via a wireless connection away and Bluetooth nearby so many feet. This is your battery, and we'll show you what the lights look up in the evening hour, and we'll show you inside the plant light lit up off of the cable. As we set up our plant light by turning on and hitting 8 hours, we are set up like so. We need to turn our ceiling lights on. We have the controls on top here and shut off. We need to turn on our lights outside, the patio lights. That'll be over here. The 320 amp hour battery can run a number of things for many hours on end and recharge off of a solar grid system. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is something that you are looking for running LEDs, lights above, plant lights, and more. Tillers, motors, RVs, campers, heaters, tools, inverters, anything imaginable battery operated via the 320 amp hour battery. Thank you for viewing.